So here's how I make my lunch. I'm having rice with Indian fare, and oh, it's already boiling. Okay. So, doesn't take long. So I've got some Vental and Leggy Tikka Masala in this little package here. I just sort of cut a slot in it and I put it in the jet boil. And I just simmer it. When the water comes to a boil, I turn the gas off and then let it sit there and warm up. In the meantime, I got my little rice cooker here running off the Jackery. Get it out of the sun. And I got the Jackery plugged in. I got the solar panel there. It's getting about 25 watts from the solar right now. It's kind of fluctuating, but this little dude is pulling 168 watts through the inverter, and like, that's my lunch. Okay, so that's just kind of sitting there. It's all turned off. The water's just heating up the food, and then here's the rice cooker, and the rice is kind of bubbling away. A few more minutes left. Okay, the rice is done. This little thing popped back up, and I turned off the inverter. And cooking this rice took the battery down from, I think it was like at 97%. It's got down to 85, but it should recover today. This afternoon, my solar should get this back up to 100. And there it is, real simple. I just take the little pot out, take the lid off, take the pot off, just invert it onto the plate. Gotta maybe scrape off a little bit of rice, and then pour the fare out, and there it is. Patak's lentil and veggie tikka masala with pumpkin and sweet peppers. Medium spicy, but it's a pretty mild medium. That's the stuff right there. All right, it's lunchtime.